What's up, my dudes? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to crack open 5 M2 machines, and 3 of them are very beautiful OBS trucks. Alright, but first let's jump right in with this badass 3rd gen Camaro. Look how cool this thing is. Got a nice army theme going on here. Looks very nice. Let's see there. I don't know if these are numbered at all. Oh yeah, there you go. So 9,000 of these. And let's get cracking. And here is the awesome 3rd gen Camaro Major IROC. Beautiful olive green paint. Looks like they fixed the issues with the wing on these. Well, to a degree. You can see how it's still kind of popping up a little bit on that side. On this side, it looks pretty good though. Got a tan interior with race seats and a roll cage, which I think is really, really awesome. Some blacked out wheels. Super cool livery with the teeth. We've got a scooped hood. And under that hood is a pretty detailed engine. Looks pretty nice. Look at the radiator's a little lopsided, but it's all right. That's so badass. The headlights look good. Hood closes nice and solid. It's got side view mirrors. Taillights look pretty darn good. Rubber tires. Oh my god, we got huge slicks in the rear. Straight up raced out. This thing is badass. So cool. And we can compare it directly with the Johnny Lightning 3rd gen. I think they're both pretty good. They're both very good. I think I like this M2 one more because the hood opens, and I don't really like the red wheels that much, to be honest. I think it would have been better just with chrome or aluminum. All right, next one up is this 57 Chrysler 300C with a hooker header tampo on the back. Right, and there it is. Look how cool. Beautiful. Really like the paint on this one. Wow, the grille work and the headlights and the chrome bumper all works really well. 1957 on the plate, painted taillights. Interesting, it doesn't have chrome wheels. It has like these dark gray wheels with Goodyear on the rubber tires, plastic base. And I think the hood opens. No, it does not. I was wrong. Wow, I really like this model. So nice. Very cool. Forgot to check, I'm sure it is plastic. No, that's metal. Right? It's really hard for me to tell, to be honest. I think it's metal though. All right, now let's move on to those amazing GMC OBS trucks. Starting with this one right here. Look at this bad boy. Comes with some accessories. It's lifted. Oh man, it's so freaking cool. I can't wait any longer. Let's crack it open. And there is the beautiful GMC 1500 OBS GMT 400. It's got really nice side view mirrors. It's got a snorkel on it. I'm just now noticing for the first time. How cool is that? Super realistic truck. Oh, we got the aftermarket bumper. The grille looks so good. The hood, I mean, it looks like it opens. Oh my god, what? With the Corvette engine? Holy shit. Wow, that's amazing. Got an LS swap on the 1500. That just looks awesome. Love these aftermarket wheels. This one does not roll at all though. Why is that? Oh, it's because it's got these little wires on it. But it's keeping everything in place, so I might keep it for a little while. Another aftermarket bumper on the back, GMC Sierra. Wow. Got those lights up top there. This is amazing. So amazing. Oh, yeah, it's not going anywhere, but it's cool. I think I'm gonna leave that just like it is. Love that one, that's amazing. All right, next one up. Looks like more of like a stock style, 2-wheel drive. Definitely cool with me. Absolutely love this. Let's see, 9,000 pieces. Let's get to cracking. Check it out, you guys. Another beautiful OBS GMC truck. like stock wheels, stock trim, red interior, which is very realistic. A lot of these trucks had red interior. Nice tread pattern on the rubber tires. GMC Sierra EFI. Even look at the detail on the bumper. That is so perfect. Lensed taillights. Wow. Yeah, everything up there looks exactly as it should. And this one's got the stock motor. Stock, what is it, 5.3? Awesome. That is so freaking cool. Taillights, the tailgates don't come down on these. Oh, it's got a big tubbed out bed, but it's not tubbed. It's kind of funny. But it's still really awesome. All right, and the last one in this video is my favorite, the one that reminds me of my truck because it is slammed. I know I've said it a million times. I always mention my vehicles, but I do have an OBS GMC. Looks just like this one, but it is gray. I'll put a picture of it on the screen. And I love my dumped, slammed vehicles. All right, there it is. Look at this little beauty. Slammed to the ground. Big wide tires in the rear, and it looks like there's rubber bands probably holding on this tonneau cover, which is fine. I'll just leave it for now. Got a white interior, color match side view mirrors. Love these rims. Absolutely nuts. Oh, it's even got the roll pan, just like my truck. And my truck has a tonneau cover too. So, I mean, this really is a lot like my truck. And this one has the stock V8. Beautiful. Absolutely wonderful. Oh, this one's got bucket seats though. See, mine has the bench still. I'm gonna leave the bench. I like the old school bench. But anyway, look at this perfect truck. One of the gems in my collection for sure. All right, you guys, that was the video. Thank you very much for kicking it with me on this Friday afternoon. If you're new to my channel, my name is J-Dog, and I post die-cast videos once or twice a week, more or less. So if collecting little cars is your thing, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and destroy the like button, and I will catch you dudes next time.